In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to devise a barometer. Whether I am overwhelmingly a positive person, or unfortunately I am overwhelmingly a negative person. This is what we do have to decide today. We are going to devise we are going to devise a device. I'm going to present a barometer. Whether I am overwhelmingly positive or unfortunately I am overwhelmingly negative. But let me tell you that if at all unfortunately we are overwhelmingly negative, usually if somebody is negative, does not mean that she will remain negative forever. Does not mean that she will remain negative forever. Rather, it is quite possible that we can switch over from the negativity to the positivity. We can switch over because there are people, and there are very good number of people who have switched over, who have changed side from the negativity to the positivity. And if at all the people have done it, if at all so many of the people have done it, how come I or you can stay away from it? How come I and you can be kept away from it? Obviously, we will become more and more positive, and this positivity switching over to the positivity, it is quite possible for each and everyone else, for each and everyone else, for those people who are ready to struggle, who are ready to make effort, who are ready to pay the price of it. As for paying the price of it is concerned, the price will be presented and the price will be paid in the form of the effort. In the form of effort. Now let's check first whether I'm a negative person or I'm a positive person. We need to know first. I think so. Listen, it is something very simple. It is so simple, and the more simple it is, the more accurate it is as well. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, if at all you remain happy usually, or if at all you remain normal usually, then you are an overwhelmingly positive person. If at all somebody is unfortunately remains unhappy most of the time, if at all somebody remains sad most of the time, if at all somebody remains worried about worries most of the time, whether I shall be able to survive or not, whether I shall be able to develop or not. Now these people are definitely overwhelmingly negative people, but it does not mean that they will remain negative forever. It actually means that there is an opportunity and a need has arisen to switch over, from the darkness to the light, from the darkness to the light. We can switch over, we can change side from the black to the white, from the sickness to the health. How can it be done, by the way? How can it be done, by the way? First of all, we need to understand a kind of constant struggle effort is needed. We need to do a sort of input, and we need to keep doing this input for a longer period of time, maybe forever. We need to do it in such a manner that it should become our habit, that it should become a routine, that it should become a nature of our. And once it becomes a routine, let me tell you that it will keep producing the results automatically, and it will keep producing the results effortlessly. We need to expect good. We need to make the good interpretations. We need to make the good interpretations of what somebody will do, of what is going to happen in the world, what is going to happen with my life, what is going to happen with the life of my loved ones. And we need to become an optimist. And being an optimist, switching over from the pessimism to the optimism, it is possible, it is very much possible. But we need to make effort, and we need to make constant effort. Then only it will become possible. And this effort does not mean that we have to carry the weight of a truckload. Not at all. A soft effort is needed, which can easily be started and which can easily be carried on as well. And we need to convince ourselves again and again that there are plenty of people in the world, and there are people around me as well who have changed from the misery to the prosperity. There are enough number of people in the world, and there are enough number of people around me as well who have changed from the misery to the prosperity, from the unhappiness to the happiness, from being a destitute to being a wealthy. This is all what we can do. This is all so many of the people have done. This is all so many of the people will be doing, and this is all what so many of the people will be doing. As long as as long as the human being is here on this earth, as long as the human species survives, I think that this will keep happening. I can do it as well. I can do it as well. I'm very good at it actually. I'm very good at reforming myself. And as for myself is concerned, we need to attach the very good labels with we ourselves, and we need to keep repeating. We need to keep repeating. But let me tell you that as for the positivity is concerned, switching over from the negativity to the positivity, it is also possible. A barometer has been presented. If at all we remain worried usually, if at all we remain unhappy and sad usually, unfortunately, this is overwhelming negativity, overwhelming amount of negativity, and our brain is remains with a negative, filled with the negativity quite often. We need to switch over. We need to change, and that is the only way we can survive. That is the only way. We can not only survive, we can thrive as well. Let's start switching over from the negativity to the positivity, from the darkness to the light, from the black to the white. This is what we can do, and this can easily be done if at all we are interested enough, if at all we are committed enough, if at all we are regular enough, if at all we are persistent enough. All what is needed is we don't have to carry. It is not a Herculean task at all. It is not a gargantuan task at all. It is something quite possible. It is something quite feasible, and it is something which I and you are going to do. We need to become more and more positive person, and it can be done gradually. It needs a persistent amount of effort, and it can be done gradually. We don't need to do it suddenly, and it is not suddenly possible as well. We don't have to flip a switch that there will be a light instead of the darkness. I think that it need a constant effort, and with a constant effort we can gradually become more and more positive person, person, and if at all we want to judge whether I am switching over toward the positivity or not, we need to make an assessment. We need to think whether I do remain normal usually or not, whether I do remain happy usually or not, whether I do remain okay usually or not. Thank you. Switch over. Change.